Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Dr. Mukul Sangma, Myntri rangba kejela, hakani kekanti, ulat Ther kala Biang, yaki Myntri barem Jingkynthoh yu preston tensong, da ki jingkeli bahato, kitip ne yaki rukom penyakam, haka bedai bat kikam, lej barjela ki kle kejela, ki bedai bat kikam sarkar. Habaya keren bat ke Batisi TV, Myntri rangba ulaong, baki an ki kanun kimong, baki para menteri kidai banyathu, netep yakalet kawan Jong.
When Chief Minister takes a tour, whether within the state, outside the state, within the country or outside the country, Chief Minister can never travel without making people know. Okay. Chief Minister cannot travel abroad without taking a political clearance, even if the traveling abroad is for personal reasons. Okay, if it is even for a personal trip. That is how the system is. Okay. And therefore, whenever Chief Minister is leading a delegation, visiting any country abroad, or even within the state, everybody knows. CM cannot hide. Okay. Now, do you think that Chief Minister is duty bound to tell his colleague that he is traveling abroad? But on the contrary, what is important is that any minister traveling outside has to take permission. Any minister traveling abroad has to take permission. No minister who represents the sovereign flag of this country can go outside the country without any information and approval of the government, approval of the Chief Minister. There are procedures laid down.
Hakaju kapor, Dr. Mukul Sangma, ulayay ban yaki kentien kiba ulaklay hakabayday bat kajingnet kaka ki Myntri barem sa Kolkata. Ulaang bahato ke Kolkata ka demo ka headquarter kabala banwanra yaki skim kibayday bat kani kejela.
But I am telling you one thing. Does any minister have so much of work in Kolkata? Is Kolkata capital of this nation? What is there in Kolkata? Which agenda draws the minister to Kolkata? If my ministers are traveling to Delhi, engaging themselves with the counterpart, with the ministry, it will do good for the state. But do we have any ministry in Kolkata which is linked to the portfolios they are holding? That is what I am saying. You have to find whether there is any official work related with the department in Kolkata.
And as per my initial findings, that all the travel expenses...
If Chief Minister is traveling outside and abroad, it is on official trip. It is linked with, programs associated with government. Many a time these programs are not only a program of the state of Meghalaya in isolation, they are also programs which are collectively organized and participated by a number of states of this country.